In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the split view feature in Microsoft Word, a great tool to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. This feature can be particularly useful when you're working on a long document or need to reference different sections simultaneously. Let's dive into how you can use this feature to its full potential. First, you'll want to open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your document is open and ready to go, direct your attention to the top of the screen. There you'll find the ribbon, a collection of tabs that houses a variety of tools and options. Look for the View tab, which is typically the fourth or fifth tab from the left, depending on your version of Word. Clicking on this tab will open up a whole new range of options specifically designed to aid in document viewing and management. Now, within the View tab, locate the group of options labeled Window. Here, you'll find the Split feature as a button. Clicking this button prompts Word to create a horizontal split bar that traverses your document. This split effectively divides your document into two separate panes, allowing you to view different sections concurrently. After the horizontal split bar appears, you can adjust the size of each pane to suit your needs. Simply click and drag the bar upwards or downwards. You might find it helpful to try different placements to get just the right amount of visibility for each section you're focusing on. This flexibility lets you, for example, work on edits in one part of the document while easily cross-referencing another section. Once you've set up the panes, you can scroll independently in each. This means that while you scroll down in one pane to find the section you're working on, the other pane can stay static on critical information you need to reference repeatedly. It's a bit like having two windows into your document. This capability can be a game changer for multitasking and ensuring cohesive document editing. If at any point you decide you no longer need the split view, removing it is straightforward. You have two options. First, simply drag the split bar all the way up to the top or down to the bottom of your document. Alternatively, you can make things a bit quicker by heading back to the Window group in the View tab. There you'll see that the Split button you initially clicked has transformed into a Remove Split button, allowing you to exit Split View with just one click. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful tool to make managing complex documents a bit easier. Whether you're writing a lengthy report, organizing references, or just wanting to see how two parts of your document look side by side, the Split View feature in Word can be incredibly helpful. Experiment with it and see how it can enhance your document editing process. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.